Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's February 11th, 2025, and it's about 5:20 in the evening. Just gotta finish feeding all the animals. My wife will be home pretty quick, and we'll come and milk Bella. We cut back her milking, so trying to dry her up. But tonight is scheduled to be milked. So as soon as she gets here, we're back down here doing that. But everyone else has got their dinner, and they're all happy except for Edith. Likes to make a lot of noise because that's what kind of pig she is. Just a noisy one. Overall, it's been a nice day. It's been cold though. It's 25 degrees or so right now, and yeah, it's cold. The moon looks full, so, and the sky's clear, so I think tonight's gonna be very, very cold again. Oh well, I can't wait till spring.